Hi, welcome to my another video. Today, I will help you choose the 5 best job site table saw on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am trying to list those based on price, quality and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Skil TS63700. The body and the tabletop of this table saw are made out of aluminum. Therefore, the first thing you will notice is how light it is. The footprint of this table saw offers plenty of work surface, but it still takes up much less space than a stationary table saw. Skil TS63700 includes a stand that is produced from steel tubing, which keeps its weight at a minimum but still provides a rigid tool to work with. The stand can be broken down to a smaller size since the legs come in 2 pieces that are connected with a screw system. The tool requires less storage space because of that. This model includes a blade bevel scale along the front with permanent markings that should not wear with use. They are also easy to read, making adjustments easier to do. The arrow pointer is accurate and will give you proper readings as you set the blade. Skil TS63700 comes with a rack and pinion fence which, as per advertisement, allows for quick, accurate, and smooth cuts thanks to its parallel alignment to the blade. At number 2, DeWalt Dway 7491 RS. The target audience for this table saw are people who are looking to do cabinetry. Those who want to build small projects might consider other alternatives, such as the DWE 7485. A big benefit of this entry from DeWalt is 32.5 inches of rip capacity. This allows for easy cuts of larger trim and shelving materials, panel glue-ups, and plywood. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system provides solid support for your workpiece. A rolling stand is supplied for this model. This makes it very easy to move this saw around considering the fact that it weighs 90 pounds. Small to medium-sized shop owners as well as construction contractors will certainly appreciate this. The 15-amp motor on this portable table saw is adequately powered for applications requiring high torque. This saw will cut through hardwood without bogging down. What's also great about this job site table saw is that its arbor can fit dado blade sets. Cabinetry woodworkers will definitely appreciate this useful feature. At number 3, SawStop JSS 120A60. The SawStop brand is best known for its signature safety brake system that stops the blade on contact with skin. The blade on this saw carries a small electrical charge that changes when it touches the skin. The system continually monitors this small signal and activates the brake once there has been a disturbance. The SawStop JSS 120A60 is by far the most expensive model on this list. The safety system will give you some extra peace of mind, though. The saw itself offers a 25.5 rip capacity and has a 1.5 horsepower motor. The unit includes all of the features that you would expect from a high-end saw, including a high-quality T-style fence, excellent dust collection, effortless adjustment, bang-up cut accuracy, just to name a few. The cart folds down to resemble a piece of luggage that you would take on a plane. This makes transporting it very easy because you can simply collapse it to fit it into your car or truck, then pull it along with the included handle. At number 4, Bosch 4100 XC10 10-inch job site table saw. The Bosch 4100 XC10 table saw delivers power that is equal to that of a contractor saw, but it is portable. This model from Bosch includes a wheeled stand, a carbide-tipped blade, smart guard system, square lock rip fence, miter gauge, push stick, and 2 adjustment wrenches. A smaller footprint and upgrades to the barrier guard allow it to stand out from its older version, the Bosch 4100-09. Its lower price makes it more affordable than its DeWalt counterpart, the Dway 7491 RS model. This product is a nice fit for users who work a lot with panels and other wideboards. It provides accurate cuts that are repeatable for cabinet makers. Woodworkers who make small projects and jigs may find limited benefits from this saw. At number 5, DeWalt DWE 7485. DeWalt has been around for decades, and they have built a solid reputation during that time. They are known for making excellent tools, generally for around the same or lower cost as the competition. This saw is no exception and is right in the middle of the price range. The main benefit of this saw is that it is very light and portable. If you need to carry your table saw around your workshop or move from worksite to worksite, you will appreciate its low weight. At about 45 pounds, it is easy to move on and off job sites. Its table coating helps decreases friction and facilitates smooth wood cutting. The construction is surrounded by a steel roll cage that should be able to absorb a lot of beating and protect the machine. The other thing is that it is really powerful. You may be surprised to learn that the motor in this bad boy actually packs 3 horsepower. With such an engine, you should be able to rip even hardwoods without trouble. You will also like the fact that DeWalt DWE 7485 comes with a dust port on the back. As for its drawbacks, I think the biggest one is that it can only use 8 1/4 inch blades. You will have a difficult time ripping large sheets of plywood with it. The quality of the fence also leaves much to be desired. The fence just isn't that good. You will have to opt for an aftermarket fence if you want more accuracy.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.